Welcome to the online classes by Nidhi Agrawal. I hope you all are doing well at home. Today we will study the properties of integers. Dear students, in my previous video I told you about the properties of integers of addition and subtraction. Today we will study the properties of multiplication and division. So first of all, the properties of multiplication. The first one is closure property. When an integer is multiplied to another integer, we always get the product as an integer. What does the closure property says? Whenever we multiply an integer by another integer, we always get the answer as an integer. Look at the example. Minus 7 multiplied by 8 is equals to minus 56, which is an integer. Now see class here, minus 7, 8 and minus 56 all are the integers. What does this mean? This means that the integers are closed under multiplication. Means integers holds, multiplication of integers holds closure property. Now look at the next property, that is commutative property. What does this say? Order does not matter in multiplication of integers. As I told you in case of addition also, that the order does not matter there. Means we can add in any order. Same way, in multiplication also we can add, multiply in any order. The order does not matter. But you have seen in case of subtraction, the order matters. हम जिस ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे आंसर आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा, चेंज आंसर हो जाता है. लेकिन एडिशन में और मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आंसर चेंज नहीं होता है. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. माइनस 7 इंटू 8 इज माइनस 56 एंड सेम वे 8 इंटू माइनस 7 इज ऑल्सो minus 56. You can see the answer does not get changed when we change the order. Hence what we can say, integers are commutative under multiplication. Yeah, multiplication of integers holds commutative property class. Right? I hope you understood this. Now look at the next. This is associative property. What does this property says? In multiplication of integers, when group is changed, the result does not change. Means whenever we multiply the numbers, if we change the group, means we are multiplying 3 or more numbers, so we can multiply any two numbers first and the other numbers afterwards. Look at the example. Suppose we have to multiply 3 integers, minus 5, minus 6 and 7. So in the first case I have multiplied firstly minus 5 and minus 6. Then afterwards 7. So the answer of minus 5 into minus 6 is 30. Then after 7. So the answer is 210. In second case I multiplied minus 5 and 7 first. So the answer is minus 35. And later on I multiplied by minus 6. So it becomes again minus 35 into minus 6 is 210. Minus minus आपका class plus हो जाएगा. Now in the third case I multiplied these two numbers first, means 7 and minus 6. So the answer of multiplication of 7 and minus 6 is minus 42. Then I multiplied by minus 5. The answer is again remains the same, 210. So you can see class, in all the three cases you get the same answer. What does this indicate? This indicates in multiplication of integers, group can be changed. We can do the multiplication in any group. Hence integers have the associative property under multiplication, or we can say multiplication of integers holds associative property. Now look at the fourth property, that was multiplication identity. Now what is the means of identity? Identity means आपकी जो पहचान है, means the number remains same. तो ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिससे आप किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करें और उसकी आइडेंटिटी लूज ना हो, मीन्स वो नंबर सेम वही का वही नंबर रहे, उसकी आइडेंटिटी चेंज ना हो, वो नंबर चेंज ना हो. तो लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. दिस इज सपोज 1. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर बाई 1, द नंबर रिमेन्स सेम, इट विल नॉट गेट चेंज. मीन्स इफ 10 is multiplied by 1, the answer remains 10. देखिए the same number we get. -5 multiplied by 1, the answer is -5. So answer does not get changed, the number does not get changed when we multiply any number by 1. So 1 is said to be the multiplicative identity of integers. 1 is called the multiplicative identity of integers. Now look at the next property of multiplication of integers. This is distributive property, class. Please keep in mind this property is very important property. You use this property in many places. So listen very carefully and understand it very well. Multiplication distributes over addition. Look at the class example. Suppose I have to multiply 5 by bracket में 8 plus 2. So you can distribute this 5. First you multiplied 5 by 8 and then you multiply 5 by 2 and this sign comes here. So this is the multiplication is distributed over addition. You have to multiply 5 by this number na 8 plus 2. So what you have, you can multiply 5 by 8 and afterwards you can multiply 5 by 2. The answer you get 5 8 is 40 and 5 2 is 10 50. Now see class, if you multiply it like this, 8 plus 2 becomes 10 using the BODMAS, then also 10 into 5 is 50. Both the answers are coming equal. It means you can multiply by the BODMAS rule, that was fine, but you can use the formula also. This is like a formula, means you can use the distributive property also here. Okay class. Now look at, hence integers have the distributive property under multiplication. Now look at the sixth property. This is very interesting property. Property of 0. When any number, how much small or big, however big the number is, but if you multiply that number by 0, the product is always 0. So this is the property of 0 class. You can see the example. 50 multiplied by 0, you get 0. Minus 20 multiplied by 0, you get 0. Means, now look at the properties of division. These are, the first one is closure property. If there are two integers, the quotient of integers may or may not be an integer. Look at the example. Minus 72 divided by 8 equals to minus 9. 63 divided by 10 equals to 6.3. Here you can see this is an integer, but this is not an integer. This is a decimal number. So in first case we are getting an integer and in second case we are not getting an integer. Means when we are dividing two integers, the quotient may or may not be a integer. It means that the division of integers does not hold closure property. Thus we can say the integers are not closed under division. Means closure property does not hold in division of integers. Now look at the second property, commutative property. Order does matter in case of division. Class, like subtraction, here also the order matters. You cannot change the order, right class? See example. When you divide 10 by 5, the answer is 2. But when you divide 5 by 10, if you change the order, the answer is 0.5. You can see here class, the answers are not same. Here we are getting 2 and here we are getting 0.5. It means these two are not same. So what does this indicate? This means commutative property does not hold good for division. Means division of integers do not hold commutative property. The third property is associative property. In division of integers, when groups is changed, result also changes. See, when you divide 72 divided by 24 divided by 3, when you solve these two questions, your answer is 3 divided by 3 comes 1. When you solve this, you get answer 9. These two are not same. So you can say that the division of integers does not hold associative property. Means these are not associative in nature class. Okay. Now division by 1. Whenever you divide any number by 1, any integer when divided by 1 will always give the same number. See class, when you divide 10 by 1, you get the answer 10. When you divide minus 25 by 1, what answer you get? Minus 25. Division by 0. Division of any integer by 0 is meaningless. Class, this is very important point. Generally बच्चे इसमें mistake करते हैं, but whenever 0 is in the denominator or you have to divide by 0, the answer is not defined. You will not get any accurate answer. So this is a meaningless question. We are not able to define it. Now what is the property of 0? When the integer 0 is divided by any integer, means whenever you divide any number by 0, whenever you divide 0 by any other integer, the result is always 0. 0 divided by 5 comes 0. 0 divided by 15 comes 0. See class, here when you multiply 5 by 0, your answer is 0. When 15 is multiplied by 0, you get 0. But in this case, there is no such number which is multiplied by 0 and you get 15. This is the reason why this type of question, dividing by 0, is a meaningless question, is not defined, because there is no such number. You multiply that number by 0, you get 15. See class, if you multiply any number by 0, you get 0. But here the question is 15. So this is not satisfied by any number. But in this case, 0 divided by 5, then also 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 divided by 15 is also 0, because when 15 is multiplied by 0, we get 0. Okay class? I hope class you understood everything very well. Now look some more. Look at all the properties in generalized way. See, closure property, in addition it holds. Closure property holds for addition, in subtraction and in multiplication also. But in case of division, closure property does not hold. Commutative property holds true for addition and multiplication, not for subtraction and division. And same way the associative property holds good for addition and multiplication, not for subtraction and division class. Okay class, I hope you understood this all very well. Thanks for watching the video class. Thank you.